Hello and welcome to the Dojo. Today I'm going to build a radius stick. I don't have a radius dish. Acoustic guitars are not flat. They need a dome shape to sound better. So you need to prepare the sides with a radius according to the size of the guitar. Larger guitars have larger domes, so I need to take to length this 3x2. So now prepare for some mathematics. You have to take consideration the radius you want to leave on the stick. For the back I have a 15 foot and for the top I have 25 feet. So remember this formula if you want to build your own. To do this, I removed wood from the stick with the measurement the formula gave me. With a ruler you can bend, you can build an arc. I guess you can use a cord. So with a pencil you mark that arc and remember to do it in both sides. On both sides I mean front and back, right and left. I guess you can leave it flat, but how are you going to give the radius to the braces inside the guitar? There are a bunch of methods to remove wood. The method I chose was a circular sanding machine. So if you're going too slow, remember you can use a block plane. Yes, it takes a lot of work, a lot of time. Now perfect, this is looking really good. Remember to do this on both sides, for the top and for the back. Now I'm preparing sandpaper for the exact profile of the sanding stick. I used 60 grit sandpaper. To glue the sandpaper, I used adhesive, spray adhesive. And just before you think you finished, remember to mark clearly which side is back and which side is the top. So please give me a thumbs up if you're liking these kind of videos, and in the next video I'm going to glue the curving. The curving is the thing you're going to sand with the perfect radius.